Samsung recently announced their much anticipated Galaxy Watch Ultra. As a Samsung and Galaxy Watch 6 user, I was eager to see what they'd come up with. Unfortunately, I was a bit disappointed. I'd like to discuss why the Galaxy Watch Ultra was a letdown for me and why I decided not to purchase it. I'll be comparing it to my current smartwatch, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and highlighting the top 5 reasons why I'm sticking with the Classic rather than going with the Ultra. Hello and welcome to Detective. Let's check this out. The first reason I decided not to go with the Ultra is the price. With a starting price of $650, the Galaxy Watch Ultra is the most expensive smartwatch Samsung has ever released. On the other hand, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic was priced at a more reasonable $400 when it first launched. That's almost double the price, and for the additional cost, I just can't justify the new features. While the Ultra does come with some impressive new upgrades, I have to consider whether these enhancements are worth the extra money, especially when the Watch 6 Classic already meets most of my needs. When I purchased the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, I found it to be a well-balanced option in terms of functionality and cost. The watch delivers on all fronts for anything from fitness tracking to app support without breaking the bank. Spending nearly double the amount on the Ultra means I'd have to justify the cost with significant benefits, but the improvements, while notable, don't seem to offer that level of value for me. The Classic already does everything I need, and it's doing it at a much more reasonable price. Reason number 2 for not upgrading is the design. The Galaxy Watch Ultra introduces a new swircle design, which is a blend of a square and a circle. Now, while this might appeal to some and be something new, I really prefer the classic round design of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. The circular display, along with the rotating bezel, is both functional and aesthetically appealing to me. It resembles more of a classic watch profile as opposed to having a miniature TV on your wrist like the Apple Watch. Now, the Ultra's design is definitely more robust and has a rugged look to it, which is great for people who need a more durable watch, but for everyday wear and style, I still feel the Watch 6 Classic suits me better. The round face of the Classic offers a timeless aesthetic that pairs well with both casual and formal outfits. It's sleek and elegant, and it makes a versatile accessory. It's also a smaller profile, making sleeping with it for sleep tracking much more comfortable. Additionally, the rotating bezel on the Classic is incredibly intuitive for navigation. It's something that I really appreciate for its ease of use and tactile feedback. The Ultra's more rugged design might offer more durability, but it sacrifices the elegance and simplicity along with that rotating bezel. Reason number 3 has to be the battery life. The Galaxy Watch Ultra does boast a larger 590 mAh battery, but the battery life improvements aren't as significant as I hoped. My Galaxy Watch 6 gives me a solid 2 days of usage, and I've gotten used to charging it as part of my routine. The Ultra's slightly better battery life isn't a game changer for me. The Watch 6 Classic's battery life comfortably covers my daily activities, including workout tracking, notifications, and sleep monitoring. Charging it every 2 days has become part of a routine that fits well into my lifestyle. Now, while the Ultra's larger battery might extend usage slightly, it's not enough of an improvement to warrant an upgrade. The Watch 6 Classic also supports fast charging, allowing me to quickly top up the battery whenever I need to. Unless you're frequently away from charging options for extended periods, the incremental battery life gain from the Ultra isn't really a compelling reason to switch. Reason number 4 are the health features. The Ultra is rumored to include advanced health monitoring like blood pressure and possibly even blood glucose monitoring. Now, while these are exciting developments, the health tracking features on my Watch 6 Classic are already quite comprehensive. It covers heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and workout detection seamlessly. Additionally, blood pressure monitoring is unavailable in the US without a workaround, and blood glucose monitoring is thankfully not something I need on my smartwatch. In regards to the health features, the Watch 6 Classic has been a very reliable companion for tracking my fitness goals. It offers detailed insights into my workouts, tracks my sleep patterns, and even provides stress management tools. These features are more than adequate for maintaining my type of lifestyle. For most users, including myself, the existence of health features on the Watch 6 Classic are pretty sufficient. The additional health monitoring capabilities of the Ultra, while impressive, don't add enough to really justify the upgrade. Now, the fifth and final reason is the fact that both the Watch Ultra and the Watch 6 Classic run on Wear OS, which is Samsung's One UI watch software. The Ultra might get some exclusive features initially, but Samsung has a good track record of rolling out updates across its other devices. My Watch 6 Classic will continue to receive updates, ensuring it stays relevant and functional for years to come. Samsung has been consistent in providing software updates that enhance functionality and security, so this means that the Watch 6 Classic will likely benefit from new features and improvements without needing to purchase a new device. The software experience on my Watch 6 Classic is already very robust, and with a smooth user interface and wide range of apps, I just don't see much of a difference. Any new software features introduced with the Ultra will likely make their way to the Classic through these updates, so it should maintain its usability and performance. While the Galaxy Watch Ultra is undoubtedly a fantastic smartwatch with cutting-edge features, my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic still holds strong in terms of value, design, battery life, health features, and software support. That's ultimately why I decided to not upgrade to the Watch Ultra and retain my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I'll have some affiliate links in the description below to share some different accessories I use with my Watch 6 Classic, as well as the bands that I like to use. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.